Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to earn money on Cash App by playing games. Alright, let's begin. There are many apps that claim to pay real cash for playing games, but not all are worth your time. Let's start with Poll App, one of the more reliable options. It offers money through both surveys and games. When you open the app, you'll see your real cash balance at the top and several earning options below. For gamers, Poll App has a playtime reward system. Play more, earn more. For example, playing a game like Lords Mobile can earn you up to $5 after hitting milestones, but the reward rate drops the longer you play. It starts at 100 chips per minute, then drops to 50, then 20. This model is common across similar apps. Alibaba Playtime Rewards also offers around $3 to $4, but you need a minimum number of points to cash out. Surveys on Poll App tend to pay more than games. In one case, a 10-minute survey earned $11.74. Poll App also includes leaderboards, daily login streaks, and a referral system. You can withdraw via PayPal with an 80-cent minimum, Revolut at $1.50, or a virtual Visa card. I tested PayPal and received my payment after verifying my number. Other apps like Supreme King also pay, but the earnings are extremely low and slow to process. So that's basically how you can earn money on Cash App by playing games. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.